So Hippie John here, out for a nice nature walk today. I usually don't get those in very often, but I am on the banks of the Fox River in Waukesha, Wisconsin. The water's pretty high and running pretty fast today from all the rains and the storms we've had lately. Just wanted to give you a quick shot. This part of the river actually runs all the way through downtown Waukesha. There's a series of bridges that go over basically each street. There's actually got a duck down here, mallard, I think. I believe that's a mallard. Get a little closer. Hopefully you guys can see him down there. I wish I could get a better quality shot, but hopefully you can see all the way down at the end. You can see that bridge off in the distance there that goes over. There's about 4 or 5 of those that cross at different spots from one street of the town into the main downtown. So yeah, I should have actually started recording when I started at the one end, but actually just thought of it now. I just stopped because I saw the mallard and I just wanted to get a quick picture of that, but then I decided I should take some video. So I suppose I guess I'll keep recording as I walk. I also found, I believe it's some guppy grass I pulled out, put it in a coffee cup. See if we can get a shot of that. It's 2 different kinds actually, but anyway, we'll take a look at that a little later. They're actually doing construction building over here, which kind of sucks. Just means more waste. It's going to end up in the river. The Fox isn't actually the cleanest river in Wisconsin, but I was actually hoping to find some driftwood or something today, but I don't want to get by the banks. Yeah, so it's actually a pretty cool little spot. If you aren't from Wisconsin and you ever make it to southeastern Wisconsin, consider coming down here and going for a nice little nature walk. They got a lot of stuff down here, good food, music. They do have this little saltwater fish store, which is pretty cool. So yeah, you can see all the way down there. I'd say this is probably about a good mile stretch or so where you can walk. So going down that way, and it keeps stretching around. I can't remember exactly how far it goes, but it doesn't go too much further that you can walk on this walkway. I'm kind of scared to get to the edge here and drop my phone, so unfortunately I'm kind of staying back right now. So this is what you need a GoPro for. But anyway, we will continue to walk. On the other side of me, there's actually nice little like condo apartment buildings or something. Actually pretty cool. Very expensive to live in downtown Waukesha though. Oh, yep, here comes another one of these bridges up here. I just figured, I actually haven't, oh, there's some ducks right here. You can see them right here. But I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna try to stay away. I've never been attacked by a duck and I don't want to be. But looks like we got a pair here. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna continue down here.